Aloha, it's Tani here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make corned beef hash patties. These patties are considered to be comfort food in Hawaii. I remember growing up with these patties because they were easy to make and could easily feed a family of 4. Corned beef hash patties were also bought in Okazuya stores, which was a place that sold a ready-made food. Here are the following ingredients. First, slightly mash together the boiled potatoes. It's alright to leave some chunks in the potatoes as you mash it. Then add in the corned beef, minced onions, 2 eggs, and green onions. Mix it well. Using an egg is optional. Its sole purpose is to hold the patties together, but because of the potato starch, it'll hold just fine. Start to form the patties by taking a handful of mixture. Roll it into a ball, then press down on it and begin to form a rounded rectangular shape. Continue this step until all of the mixture has been formed into patties. Heat a non-stick pan with oil over medium heat. Let the patties fry for about 5 minutes or until it has become golden brown on one side. Carefully flip it and let it fry again for another 5 minutes. Drizzle on more oil if needed. When it has finished frying, set it aside or serve immediately. Squeeze some ketchup or your favorite condiment on the side and dig into this onalicious corned beef hash patties. If you enjoyed this recipe, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell notification so you don't miss any upcoming recipes. Mahalo!